In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication in teamwork.com step by step. If you're new to Teamwork, this feature is essential for securing your account and making sure your project management data stays safe. You're going to want to stick around till the end because I'll also show you a way to access this powerful software for free, plus some bonus perks that you won't find anywhere else. Let's dive into how to turn on two-factor authentication or 2FA for your Teamwork account. First things first, you'll need to be logged into your Teamwork account. Once you're in, head over to your profile settings. You can find that by clicking on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down, select Profile Settings. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Go ahead and click on Security. This will bring you to the section where you can manage all your security settings for your account. Right under your basic security options, you'll see an option for two-factor authentication. Here's where it gets interesting. When you click to enable two-factor authentication, you'll have a few methods to choose from. The most common and secure option is using an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy. If you don't already have one of these apps, don't worry. Download it from the App Store and you're good to go. When you're ready, click on Enable two-factor authentication. Teamwork will show you a QR code. Open your authentication app and scan that QR code. Once the app scans it, it will generate a 6-digit code. Enter that code back into Teamwork and hit Verify. At this point, Teamwork will ask you to save a backup code. This is really important in case you ever lose access to your authentication app. Make sure you keep this code in a safe place. You won't need it often, but it's a lifesaver if you ever need to recover your account. That's it. Two-factor authentication is now enabled, and your Teamwork account is a lot more secure. Every time you log in from a new device, you'll need to enter a new 6-digit code from your authentication app. This adds a layer of protection that can prevent unauthorized access, keeping your projects, tasks, and sensitive information safe. If you're new to Teamwork, the platform itself offers a really intuitive project management interface with task lists, file sharing, time tracking, and more, all in one place. And since you've made the choice to secure your account, you'll now be able to collaborate with your team knowing that your data is protected with two-factor authentication. By the way, if you don't have Teamwork yet, you can use it for free through our exclusive link in the description below. This will also give you access to some bonus features that aren't available to regular users. You're getting more value just by checking out this video. So, that's how to enable two-factor authentication in teamwork.com quick and easy. Keep your account secure and start using this powerful software to manage your projects today. Don't forget, if you're ready to dive deeper into Teamwork, use the link below to unlock your exclusive free trial and bonuses. Thanks for watching and stay secure.